In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order details on Amazon. Whether you're eagerly awaiting a package or just want to double check a recent purchase, knowing how to navigate your order history on Amazon is an essential skill for any savvy shopper. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let me walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by visiting the Amazon website. You can use your favorite web browser to go to Amazon.com. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your login credentials. This way, you'll be able to access your personal account and all related order information. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see an option labeled Accounts and Lists. Hover over it with your mouse and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, you'll spot a section titled Your Orders. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to all of your order details. Once you're on the Your Orders page, you'll notice that Amazon conveniently categorizes your orders. It typically shows your most recent purchases first. But what if you're looking for a purchase from a while back? Amazon has made it easy for us to navigate through our order history. You'll notice there's a filter option that defaults to the past 3 months. This is perfect if you're checking a recent order. However, if your purchase dates back further, you can easily customize the time frame to suit your needs. To do this, click on the drop-down menu beside the time frame, and you'll see several options. For instance, you can choose to see orders from the past 6 months or even go through each year individually. This feature can be exceptionally handy if you make frequent purchases and need to locate an older order. Now, let's say you're trying to find an order from 2025. Simply select 2025 from the drop-down, and the page will refresh to display all relevant orders from that year. You can scroll through and find the specific order you're interested in. Each order entry will provide comprehensive details, including the date of purchase, the delivery address, and tracking information. If you need further information, such as invoices or shipping details, you can click on individual orders for more comprehensive insights. And there you have it, a straightforward way to check your order details on Amazon. This simple process ensures you're always up to date with your purchases, making it easier to manage deliveries and track down past transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your online shopping experience a little smoother and more enjoyable.